Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove our People plugin from Redmine 7.0.0 stable. Currently, this is the very latest Redmine that is released 1 month ago, and we are now in the middle of 2026. And also, this is going to happen on the operating system Linux Ubuntu 26.04. So this 04 means that it was released on April this year, 2026, and it is an LTC Ubuntu Linux, that is meaning long-term support. So this Linux is going to be active and supported for a lot of years ahead. So this is a great operating system. Okay, so the very first thing that we need to do is to open our terminal in Linux and go to our Redmine directory. Good. So please make a note that in my case, this is the directory and path of Redmine that is installed in my computer, but in your case, it could be somewhere else in some different path. So please double check this before you proceed further, all right? Okay. So the very first command that we need to execute is about downgrading a database. This means that it is going to delete and remove every table in the database that is related to our people plugin. Okay, so it is going to happen with the command sudo bundle exec rake redmine plugins, name of the plugin that is redmine people, and this is the most important part of this command. This is version 0, so this is going to actually downgrade the database. Okay, and the last parameter is railsenv, that is going to be production. Good, so now we click on enter and wait a little bit for the process. Okay, so we see that have these logs that are listed now. It means that the command is successfully executed. So we see that we have remove columns users, remove columns Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and yeah, everything else that is about dropping and removing tables. Okay. So we see drop table departments, remove index departments, and so on. So this step has been successfully executed. Okay. And the next thing that we need to do is to just remove the plugin folder itself. So it is located here in the plugins folder, and if we list the files, we see that it is here, Redmine People. All right. We could also check this in the files system of our Linux Ubuntu. So we just paste the path here and see that yeah, this is the plugins folder, this is the path of Redmine, and our people is here. Okay, so to remove it, we need to execute command sudo remove, and this argument here means that it will recursively delete every subfolder into the people folder. All right, so every subfolder and every subfolder of the subfolder will be deleted inside this people directory. Okay, so we click enter, and if we click if we list the files now, we see that people is no more appearing here. There is no people folder anymore. So if we click on the files here, we no longer see the people folder. Okay, so there is one last command that needs to be executed, and the command is just restarting our Redmine. So this also depends on your current configuration. So if you're using a Bitnami Redmine virtual machine, for example, you could switch it off and then switch it on. And there are other options for restarting, so you can switch the server off and switch it on and so on. In my case, currently I'm running my Redmine into this terminal, into this way. So if I close the terminal, actually I shut down my Redmine. So see now, if I refresh, sorry, if I refresh the page, we see that the Redmine is down, so it is no more working. All right. Um, Good. So I need to start it again via the terminal. So this is my way of restarting Redmine. So I changed the path again to the Redmine and started with this command. Okay, so we see that my Puma has been starting and everything is now fine. Okay, so if I refresh now here the Redmine, I see that People plugin is no more listed here. So we have successfully removed it and completely removed it from our Redmine. So yeah, this was the video about removing it, and thank you very much for watching this. If you like it, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel. You could share the video, you could comment and everything else. If you have some problems or questions, please feel free to contact us anytime at support@redmineup.com. We're going to help you, of course, as always. So thanks again for the patience and see you soon. Bye bye.